We're year 2 here in Newcastle for Ricochet Songs, and there's more artists here, there's more writing rooms, which means that there are more songs. I'm KLP, and I've been back to create an empowering and safe space for artists to feel their true selves. American Express Music Backers Grant has enabled me to grow as a person, a musician, and also it's really helped to enable others around me within my space to grow.
Being in a female and non-binary environment allows everyone to be a lot more vulnerable. I was so humbled by the way that people were able to reach that level of vulnerability, and I was able to facilitate that, and it was quite, a powerful experience for me.
In all honesty, if I didn't have this grant, none of this would have happened. I was blown away at the willingness to say yes and support my ideas and Ricochet's ideas and then other people's ideas as well. It wasn't just about the songs that we were writing, so I wanted to kind of start with the people and how they felt and how they could feel empowered and safe. I met Imbi at the hip hop camp, and Imbi was just such a force in the writing rooms. I was really blown away.
I'm so tired of rewiring, always finding new ways to criticize me.
I think if you can start with you and your friends, then all of those little steps add up, and then those people will affect the next people, and it expands and it helps to build a bigger, better world. Let me go again, with just as much gusto.